We got a late night delivery. Leland wants Alaskan Rocky Mountain Oysters.
Right?
What? Hey everybody, I'm Chef Dad, and this is my Alaskan Rocky Mountain Oysters. I am butchering a moose with all of my family here, and I'm in a chair because my knee doesn't work. This is taking a little bit longer than usual. We drug the entire moose in here. I'm gonna get hung up. It's gonna be perfect meat, nice young bull. I was lucky enough to draw a special tag here in Alaska. We got a couple little jewels down here, family jewels. So we're just gonna go ahead and right now we're gonna cut these off. Don't wanna get them, don't wanna burst them. Then I'm gonna pull them out nice and gentle. Nice and gentle. You gotta be gentle with them. So there we go. Alaskan Rocky Mountain Oyster. Doesn't smell like anything. You gotta make sure you get both. So I'm just cutting a little bit of that membrane so that I can force that testicle out. I don't want to burst anything. And there we go. 2 Rocky Mountain Oysters, that's all they come with. It's not gonna make a full meal, but it'll be an hors d'oeuvre. Here are the Alaskan Rocky Mountain Oysters. Look at that thing. We're gonna prep these for a snack. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna get under this membrane here and get these peeled off just like a traditional Rocky Mountain oyster. Don't want to be too aggressive with them because they are soft on the inside. Get it peeled clear back. You can see that membrane all the way down in there. And that's be very delicate, unlike I have been here. So we're just peeling that outer layer off there. Worked pretty good skinning it like a fish. Okay, so there's one of them. Out of the bag. You just don't want to cut too deep into it. But you can see that there's 2 separate layers of membrane in there, and you need to get both of them cut. Can you eat every bit of this? Probably. This outside would be chewy though, and we don't want chewy oysters. So just be nice and gentle. Once we can get clear down to this other end. So there we go. This is definitely not the same size as a traditional Rocky Mountain oyster. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna trim it up about that thickness. Because everybody's gonna get a bite. So now that those are cut up, all we gotta do is put together our battering. We have some beautiful ingredients: Chef Dad smoked salt, some granulated garlic, and Krusty's pancake mix. That's perfect amount. Some Chef Dad smoked salt, and then granulated garlic. We've got about that much granulated garlic left. So zip up the bag, get a good mix. Now that you're to this point, reach right over here and turn your heat on high. We've got vegetable oil over there, and these are gonna get fried. We're gonna go right in with our delicate delights here. So, now that you got those in there, give them a good shake. Make sure everything gets coated. We need to check to see if our oil is ready, so we are just going to drop a little bit of that in there. And it is just about ready. As you can see, it's bubbling away. So I'm gonna get in here and start grabbing our little nuggets. As you can see, nice and coated. And just start dropping them in. These are not gonna take long. Super tender. Started down at the 6 o'clock position and going around so I know where I started so I can flip them over in order. So now all we're waiting for is a nice, beautiful golden crust. which shouldn't take too long. As you can see, that is just gorgeous. These are going to be good. These are going to be phenomenal. Look at that. That's a chicken nugget from McDonald's. At least we know what's in these. Okay, now we're just going to take a look. These are just about finished. We're going to take them out and we're going to set them right over on a plate with some paper towels so that they can cool and drain a little bit of that oil off there. I have never had moose testicles. It's going to be a first. I like Rocky Mountain oysters. They're good when I cook them. So this is going to be amazing. Oh, this smells so good. So I'm going to give it a try. Oh, that's perfect. Super tender. That batter is just amazing because it gives you a little bit of sweetness with a nice salty garlic back notes. But man, no, those are delicious. I almost just eat the whole thing. It's like the perfect chicken nugget. Give it a try. This is a Rocky Mountain oyster, Alaskan Rocky Mountain oyster. You're gonna use dip?
Why not? Pretty good.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
What's it taste like?
Chicken.
Would you eat it again?
Yeah.
Okay, I wanted to make sure that you were gonna actually eat it again. Have at it. What's it taste like?
It's soft. A little salty.
Are they good? Mm-hmm. Would you eat them again? Mm-hmm. Nice. They're just the perfect chicken nugget. YouTube picked that video for you. I picked that video for you. That over there, that's the subscription button. Push it. I need you. Leave down in the comments whether or not you try these. Thanks, everybody.